Marma points of Ayurveda are specific energy points located throughout the body in Ayurvedic medicine. These points are believed to be the intersections of the body's connective tissues, joints, muscles, arteries, veins, tendons, and bones, where prana, life energy, flows. Stimulating these Marma points is believed to help balance the body's energy flow, improve health, and promote healing. Marma points and acupuncture points are similar in some ways, but they arise from different systems of medicine and have important distinctions. Both Marma and acupuncture points are believed to be sites where life energy flows, called prana in Ayurveda and qi in Chinese medicine. Both systems use manual stimulation, touch, massage, needles, or pressure, to remove blockages and improve health. Both influence nerves, organs, circulation, and emotions by stimulating specific points on the body. Each system considers the body, mind, and energy field as deeply interconnected, treating one affects the others. This was an introduction to what a Marma point is. I'll be back soon with specific Marma points for each condition. This is Wellguru. See you soon.